Hello family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm making some spaghetti omelette. Let's get to the video. For the ingredients I used 2 chopped small onions, some green pepper, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, some chopped coriander, and also some chopped red pepper. I also used 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, 2 small grated carrots, some vinegar. I used my favorite seasoning, 2 Royco cubes. I also used some black pepper and 5 eggs. And our main ingredient is the spaghetti, which I also had used half of it. So I'm just going to use half of the spaghetti. I'm going to start by boiling my spaghetti with just water and salt as shown in the video. When the spaghetti is fully cooked, add it to a larger plate and let it completely cool. After 7 minutes, my spaghetti is ready. I'm going to drain any remaining water and then I'll set it aside. To my preheated pan, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons oil, the chopped onions and ginger and garlic paste. I'm then going to fry them for a while as shown in the video. I'm now going to add my fresh peppers, that is green and red pepper that I chopped. I'm also going to add a 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper, ground black pepper. I'll also add a pinch of salt to taste. I'm then going to fry my peppers for a while as shown in the video. I'm now going to add our grated carrots. I'll also add the chopped tomatoes and coriander. And then I'm going to add the seasoning, 2 Royco cubes. And then I'm going to fry it for a while as shown in the video. vegetables are now ready. I'm going to add them to a larger plate and then let it completely cool. You have to let the vegetables completely cool, you guys. If you don't do this step, you'll mess up everything. After the spaghetti and vegetables are cool, I'm going to beat the 5 eggs that I showed, and then I'm going to add them to the spaghetti. I'll add them to a larger bowl. I'll then mix them well together as shown in the video. I'll also add the vegetables to the eggs and the spaghetti. After mixing my vegetables and spaghetti well for a while, I'm now going to use the same pan. I'll add some oil and then I'm going to preheat it. I'm then going to add our butter, our omelette butter as shown in the video. I'll then spread it evenly as shown in the video. And then I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cook the first side for 10 minutes on low-medium heat. I'll then flip it over as shown in the video. I'll then cook the other side for another 5 minutes. After a total of 15 minutes, our spaghetti omelette is now ready. And look at it, you guys. It looks really delicious. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.